been on fucking point, dude. I fucking love that shit. Hands up! Hands up! Matches energy! Matches energy! Vancouver, make some fucking noise right now. How we doing? I just wanted to say something. Something just popped in my head that I just remembered about that song. So that if you don't know, that's my collab with Skrillex, Slowdown, and Beam. And when I made that song, I was in Hawaii and I was sitting in a balcony and I just got this random call from Skrillex and just like, he's like, yo, I want you to hop on this track and to see what we can do. We literally pumped this shit out so fucking fast. And then I remember I was going down this elevator and 13-year-old me would have not fucking believed myself if I ever said I had a collab with a fucking man. And I just wanted to say thank you to him for being a mentor for me my entire life and being the coolest motherfucker for allowing us to make that fucking song. That song is one of my favorite things I've ever fucking made ever in my life, so if you're in this crowd and you're trying to make music and you want to do this shit, you can fucking do it, man. If I was 14-year-old me sitting in my boxers and my fucking computer after high school, dude, if I can fucking do this shit, you can do this shit. So keep fucking doing what you're doing, make the best music you possibly can. Hang around with your best fucking friends and always get that OG squad till day one and you'll be fucking successful. Also, I wanted to say thank you guys so fucking much for being here, for providing a ticket. I know shit is fucking expensive, especially in Canada. I know this shit's expensive, especially Vancouver. So I know a lot of you guys are working a long weeks, probably 30, 50, maybe 70-hour weeks, and you're grinding for this shit. So if you spent your hard-earned money here tonight, thank you so fucking much. I fucking appreciate it more than anything. I remember having like $100 in my bank account, spending the last every cent to go to my favorite artist, and I always got so pumped and it got me through the week. So thank you guys so fucking much for being here and spending money. I really fucking appreciate it. Also, make some fucking noise for Allocat and Week Battle when they're fucking crushing this shit. Fucking love those two, but yo, let's keep this shit going. I'm gonna turn this shit up a little bit. Ballroom.